let's look at one more radical expression to simplify. 5 plus or minus the square root of 50 over 10. 50 has 25 as a perfect square factor. (25) times 2 makes 50, so the square root of 50 can be broken apart into the square root of 25 times the square root of 2. Square root of 25 is 5. And now each of these terms, 5 times the square root of 2, 10, each of those terms is divisible by 5. So 5 divides into 5 one time. 5 divides into 5 one time. 1 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 2. 5 divides into 10 two times. So 1 plus or minus the square root of 2 over 2 is the simplified form of that radical expression. Now, be very careful. Some students will then want to say, oh, the 2 can divide into the 2 here, and I'll have 1 plus or minus the square root of 1. No, there are two problems there. If you tried to divide the 2 into this term, you'd have to divide it into this term. You can't divide just into one term when the terms are joined by addition or subtraction as they are here. Also, you would be making the error that you can't divide a quantity outside of a radical into a quantity that's under a radical expression. So this 2 cannot be divided into that 2. As I jokingly say, this 2's in jail, that 2's out of jail. They really can't have anything to do with each other. It's not until we get the quantities out of jail that we can do the dividing as we did here. So here's another example of simplifying a radical expression.